Today, we are going to show you how easy it is to personalize and order a notebook. Visit our website at www.ormsprintroom.co.za. It is essential to firstly register an account before starting your project. Click on My Account. This will open the option to log in or register. Fill in your email address and a password in the Register section. Then click on Register. I am going to choose to log in because I have already registered an account. On the left, you will find your account options. This is where you will access your saved projects in future to edit them or reorder completed projects. Now you can click on the Photo Gifts tab and then click on Notebooks in the drop-down menu. Our notebooks are available in A6, A5 and A4 portrait format. And you have a choice of a glossy or matte finish for the hard cover. The inside pages are made up of blank 80 GSM recycled pages. Start by choosing the size you would like to design. Choose the finish of your cover and the color of your end papers. The end papers are the pages that bind the cover to the notebook. There is a choice of black or white. Once you have made your choice, click on Start Creating. Please give your project a name by clicking on the pen icon at the top of the design workspace. Now you need to add your images you would like to use in your design. Click on Computer and select the images you would like to use. Please note, you can also make use of the artwork elements and templates on the left sidebar as part of your design. The default layout can be edited and personalized as you wish. You can manually move around your image boxes to make your layout. You can add, remove, rotate, reposition, or change the size of your image boxes, or drag and drop templates from the left sidebar. Then you will simply drag and drop your images into the image boxes on your layout. You can add backgrounds by dragging and dropping. Text can be added by clicking on the Add Text button. I am going to add a mask to the image on my front cover and frames to the images on my back cover. To edit your images in your layout, click on an image to select it. When you click on the center of the image, the additional editing options pop up. You can move around your image and position it within the picture box, or zoom in or out to crop it. There are rotation or flipping options, and the option to change your image opacity, as well as some photo effects to choose from. When you have finalized your design, click on the Preview button to check it. And when you are ready, click on Order. You can now go and create additional items to add to your cart, or you can choose to check out now. In the shopping cart, you can order multiple copies of your design. If you have a voucher code, it can be applied now. If you would like us to ship your order to you, you can now calculate the shipping fee by adding your delivery address. Your courier fee will now be listed, or you will have the option to change it to a store collection. You can now proceed to the checkout. Please fill in your billing details and it is important to list a cell phone number and address. These details will not need to be filled in again in future, but can be edited if they change. You have the option to ship to an alternative address. Unclick this if you do not require it. A summary of your order will appear at the bottom of the page. Review your details and click on Proceed. You will now make your payment. Choose to pay by card or secure instant EFT. After payment, you will get prompted that your order has been received with the details of your order and your order number. You will also receive an email with a summary of your order details. Now you can sit back, relax, and our team will do the rest. We will be in touch as soon as your order is ready for collection or delivery.